Alright, I got one more thing I want to share with you guys today. This refrigerator. I'm trying to get the kitchen clean before I go home tonight. And I just want you to see the inside of this refrigerator. I already took the shelves and the bins out. Bob's already cleaned a few shelves so that we can actually use it. But this refrigerator was full of food when we bought the house. Jason had to like clean it out. So let's just look down here at the bottom. Isn't that's delicious. Over here to the door. I've already sprayed cleaner on this. It's soaking. So. And then look, oh, look at that. Little friend hanging out. Let's come over here to the freezer. I took all these, the fronts of them off. They're soaking in cleaner right now. Check that out. Isn't that nice? Very clean. Definitely a very sanitary place to store your food. So now, the best part of the story is that I was trying to get out of cleaning this refrigerator. And so I told Jason that he should do it because he's much better at cleaning than I am. And he told me that he thought his time would be better used doing other things. So now let me show you what I found him doing just a minute ago. That's what I found him doing out here a minute ago. His time's better used, not cleaning the refrigerator, but playing with spray foam outside.
Well, I only needed a little bit of it, and I didn't buy the stuff you can reuse, so you know what happens to this foam stuff when you use it. You can't reuse it, so I thought I'd make an art piece out of it.
That was definitely a better use of your time than cleaning the refrigerator. I'm glad that you made that decision.
I feel.
Are we gonna take this with us when we leave the house? We won't want it to go to waste. There you have it. The spray foam creation by Jason Lamonti. More important than cleaning the refrigerator. Thanks for watching.